Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today's video is dedicated to all of the KFC lovers. If you want to know how you can make crunchy and delicious fried chicken in the comfort of your own home, keep watching. For this recipe, you will need 600 grams of drumsticks, or even chicken wings if you prefer, 250 grams of self-raising flour, salt as per your preference, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, water, and this goes without saying, but also some oil for frying. For the first step, sift 250 grams of self-raising flour. Is it just me, or is it so satisfying to see the flour fall through the sieve? For a bit of flavour, sprinkle over some salt. You can adjust this as per your preference. Next, add half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Just give it a good mix so the ingredients are evenly spread out. That was just an extra dash of salt, by the way. In a big bowl of water, soak the drumsticks. After a few seconds, coat it with the flour mix. By soaking the drumsticks in water, it will act somewhat like a glue between the drumsticks and the flour. Also, as an extra tip, if you don't have self-raising flour, you can also use plain flour and add roughly half a teaspoon of baking powder or soda. Once the drumsticks are fully covered in flour, soak them in water again for a few seconds and repeat the coating process one more time. By applying a double layer of water and flour, you can be sure that the entire chicken is fully coated, which means you will achieve crispier drumsticks. In a preheated pan, fry the drumsticks in a low heat. If the heat is too high, you will end up with burnt drumsticks on the outside, but the meat on the inside will be raw. So be patient and allow the drumsticks to slowly fry into a golden brown colour. This process can take up to 6 to 7 minutes. Every few minutes, rotate the drumsticks to ensure it is cooked evenly on all sides. As an alternative option, once the drumsticks are a light yellow colour, you can cook them in the oven until golden brown. Once the drumsticks are ready, place them on a kitchen towel to allow the oil to absorb into the tissue for a few minutes before serving. So this is it guys, homemade KFC chicken. Hopefully this recipe is up to par with the real KFC. As we always say, you can adjust the ingredients and put your own spin on it. If you want a full homemade KFC meal, add some fries and a can of Pepsi and you're sorted. Lastly, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you all next week. Bye!